In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete debug logs in Salesforce. Whether you're an admin managing a bustling Salesforce environment, or just someone curious about keeping things tidy, this straightforward tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring your debug log management is a breeze. Let's begin by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. You'll find everything you need by navigating through your interface. The homepage serves as your starting point for various administrative tasks, and it's here where our journey will unfold. Once there, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the Quick Settings. Quick Settings act as a gateway to many of the tools you'll need for maintenance and adjustments on your Salesforce platform. Click on it to reveal a menu filled with options that can help you set up your environment efficiently. Your next stop is to open the Advanced Setup. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. Advanced Setup simply allows you access to a broader range of settings, perfect for when you need more control over your Salesforce environment. A simple click will take you into this realm of extended functionalities. Now, let's type debug logs into the search bar that should be visible within Advanced Setup. The purpose of debug logs is to track operations and resolve issues, but they can pile up over time, cluttering your workspace. By typing this in, you conveniently direct Salesforce to shortlist the right area for us to manage these logs. Having typed debug logs, you'll see an option labeled Debug Logs. Click to enter this section. This area is dedicated to providing detailed logs of various operations and errors that have occurred within your Salesforce instance. It's a powerful tool for troubleshooting, but again, can become overwhelming if these logs aren't periodically cleared. Wrangling these logs into a manageable state is as simple as clicking the option to delete all. This option is friendly, visible, and quite self-explanatory. With just one click, you can remove all those entries, giving your system a cleaner slate and reducing unnecessary clutter. So, there you have it, a streamlined approach to managing your Salesforce debug logs. This little routine can make a big difference in how smoothly your Salesforce instance operates. Keep your logs neat and your systems performing at their peak by making this a regular part of your administrative tasks. Whether you're doing this for a bit of spring cleaning or as a regular necessity, you'll find that keeping those logs under control is easier than ever. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to check back for more Salesforce tips and tricks.